Been wanting to address this rush to have an expansive Women's Premier Football League in Jamaica without the commensurate grassroots development. All of this is obviously ignited by the Reggae Girls' back-to-back World Cup qualification. And of course, funding from the world governing body of football, FIFA, is designated specifically for women's football. But the fact of the matter is that the women's game in Jamaica is struggling for participation and quality. For this new season, 4 rounds of games have been played in what was supposed to be a 12-team league. But already, 2 teams could not pass the registration stage. 2 other teams withdrew after having challenges in fielding a team, while 1 other team was expelled for failing to show for their first 2 fixtures. So what was supposed to be a 12-team league is now down to 7 and shrinking. So it's obvious we don't have the numbers or the quality for a 12-team league. Why don't the JFF start with a 6 or even a 5-team league? Them ever hear about creep before them walk? Creep.